Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to get Enviro Elements assets for free. We are on the homepage of Enviro Elements. It's a website where you can get unlimited creative subscription. You get unlimited downloads of over 12 million creative assets, starting from just $1650 per month. This website caters to a lot of categories. So we've got so many categories as you can see on the top right side. If you click on see all categories, you'll come to this page. And over here, you can see there are assets and templates for video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, WordPress, 3D, and a lot of other things as you can see. Scroll down and you can see underneath each category, there are the top selling stuff. Everything is not free on this website. A couple of good stuff are available only for paid members or for a fee. Now let's look at how you can get stuff for free on Enviro Elements. You need to simply sign in if you have an account on Enviro Elements, and for that click the sign in button on the top right corner. On the other hand, if you don't have an account, click on create an Enviro account over here and you can sign up using your Google, Apple or Facebook ID, or else sign up with your email. Give in your first name, your last name, enter your email, enter a password, tick or untick this box based on your needs, and then click on create account. After registering successfully, you will be taken to the home page of Enviro Elements. Click on your profile name at the top right side, and underneath it you can see My Collections. Underneath My Collections, you will see that currently there is nothing because nothing has been added to our collections. So this is where you will find things that you have saved or you like from whatever templates that you've been surfing on Enviro Elements. Let's first create a collection over here. So simply enter a name by clicking Create New Collection. And let's just give it a name like My Collection. And click on the create button and this will be your first collection. Now on this, there are currently 0 items. Let's add items to this. For adding anything to this collection, you need to surf for whatever things you prefer. Like let's go for graphic templates, and you can see there are so many templates over here. Let's just search for something that's useful to us. And we can see that there are templates like this. So if you click on any template, it will open in a separate page. And then you can click on this button that says add to collection. You can see my collection is visible here and you can add it to the collection. Now if you go to my collection, it will be there over here. So this is something that we have added. In this way, you can go through the entire inventory of the templates and stuff on Enviro Elements and find suitable stuff for yourself and add them to this collection or to any other collection. As you can see, we have added one more template to our collection over here. Now, these can only be added to collection. They cannot be downloaded because that's not available on this platform. You need to subscribe to one of their plans. Let's see how you can get these templates for free without subscribing to a plan. First thing you need to do is open the template that you wish to download. And you can see that there is a URL. So copy the URL of the template and go to this website or go to Google and search for the website Experts Tool. So this is the platform that we want to share with you, where you can download anything, assets or templates from Enviro Elements for free. So scroll up and go to the search bar and type in Enviro over there. And you will end up on this page, which is the Enviro Elements downloader. Now you've copied the link of the template that you wish to download. Just click over here, paste it and click on download, and the template or asset will be downloaded. And you can open the file that is downloaded and you can see that it has been downloaded. That's how useful this site called Experts Tool is. You can do a lot of other things on it. Now let's look at the second method of how you can download things from Enviro Elements. Again, go to Google and search for Enviro Elements coupon February 2023. On the search results page, you will find many websites that provide free coupons for Enviro. But the one we recommend to you is the website called coupons.usatoday.com. On this website, you can see that you can get a $33 off for the first month of your subscription at Enviro Elements. Click on Get Code on this coupon and copy this code. Now go back to Enviro Elements. And on the page, you can see on the top right side, there is the button that says Get Unlimited Downloads. Click on it. And here you can see the subscription is at $1650 per month. There's also a plan for students. Click on the Start Now button over here and you'll be taken to this page, that is the payment page, on which you will need to give in details like your first name, last name, country, your address, the city, and given your card details as well, select the plan and click on Complete Order. You will be then taken to the next page where you will need to paste the copied code from the other website and you will get a $33 off. So that was the second method. Now let's move on to the third method of how you can get free stuff from Enviro Elements. We have another website to recommend for you for the third way, and that is Mixkit. So go to Google and search for Mixkit. On the search results, you can see that Mixkit is a free gallery of stock video clips with no watermark, music tracks, sound effects, and video templates. Now click on the link and visit Mixkit, and this is the website. And you can see you can search for assets for anything. And there are so many things on the homepage itself that you can browse through. It has free downloads, it has fresh content, and provides easy licensing as well. If you scroll down, you can see the different categories of stuffs you can get on Mixkit, like videos, music, sound effects, Premiere Pro files, After Effects files, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Let's see if we can get something for Final Cut Pro. So let's click on it and you can see over here, you can search for Final Cut Pro templates. There are so many things, like on the top you can see logo, promotions, slideshow, transitions, YouTube, Instagram, titles, lower thirds, tags, etc. And if you scroll down, there are so many things that you can get for Final Cut Pro projects. Now let's search for a suitable template that we would like to download. Now once you find the template, just click on it, and on the templates page itself, you will see the button that says Download Free Template. Just click on it and the template will start downloading. Now if you go to templates on the top right side, you can see that there are other things in it like Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. And then there are also other things that you can get from Mixkit like sound effects, music, as well as video. Click on Mixkit and go to the home page, and if you scroll down, you can see that there is this license option under the Mixkit section. If you click on it, you will end up on this page, which is Mixkit license. And here they say on Mixkit, we have a specific license for each of our item types. Be sure you are aware of which license applies to the item you have downloaded. And beneath you can see that Mixkit caters to licenses of stock video restricted license, stock music free license, sound effects free license, video templates free license, and art free license. On anything, if you click on the view license button, you can see that videos under the free license can be used for YouTube, social media, online marketing ads, educational purposes, music videos, commercial projects, and filmmaking. So that's it about the licenses on Mixkit, and that ends this video about the ways in which you can get assets and templates for free from Enviro Elements. We truly hope this video was beneficial for you. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and we will catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.